Gratitude, my brothers and sisters, people say, thank Allah, thank Allah. How do I thank Allah? The first way of thanking Allah is by doing what He wants and staying away from what He does not want you to do. That's the first way of thanking Allah. I thank Allah by worshipping Him. My 5 salah shows that I thank Allah. My zakat shows that I thank Allah. My fasting shows that I thank Allah. When I add the Monday and Thursday, it shows that I'm grateful to Allah. When I add 13, 14, 15, it shows my gratitude to Allah. When I start dressing more modestly, it shows my gratitude to Allah. When I start doing the right thing and when I'm staying away from haram, it shows that I'm grateful to Allah. So it's helped me to streamline myself in line with Allah. That's why when we get up for prayer, we say, وَجَّهْتُ وَجْهِيَ لِلَّذِي فَطَرَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ. And it goes on. I have faced my face to the one who created the heavens and the earth, Allah. That's what I've done. May Allah strengthen all of us. Show gratitude to Allah by quitting your bad habits. Gratitude to Allah, no matter what the bad habit is. Show gratitude to Allah by doing the right thing. Show gratitude to Allah by investing in your children and your family members, spending time with them, quality time with them. Teach them goodness, teach them Quran. When you sit with your kids and teach them alif and ba and so on, I promise you, after your death, one of the best things you could have ever done was the fact that you taught your kids something they are reading after you, and you had taught them every letter they read. You're getting a full reward for it. Every time they raise their hands in dua, you're getting a reward for it. Subhanallah. May Allah make it easy for all of us. That's how you show gratitude. And with that, you also thank Allah verbally with your tongue. Laka alhamdu wa laka shukr. We thank you, we praise you, O Allah. And your adhkar, subhanallah, alhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar. These are words of gratitude to Allah and praise of Allah. May Allah Almighty accept all of us and grant us ease and goodness